Welcome to Jamestown Sawmill here in Jamestown, South Carolina. Beautiful sunny day, the birds are singing, and a nice cool breeze is blowing, and the bugs, believe it or not, are not flying around trying to sting you. You can see me sitting on the latest members of our little business venture. You can see me sitting beside a Case mid-90s model 90XT with a forestry mulcher on the front end of it. You also see two additional forestry mulchers that me and B have to go through. Check out the hydraulic motors on them, make sure they're all plumbed up and they can turn, in case we want to further our enterprise by investing in more skid steers. That way we got solid equipment going forward. We also have a 4-way bucket that works off the hydraulics of this same machine. But that's not the subject of our video. The subject of our video is to give accolade and an attaboy to Gator-Made Trailers. Gator-Made Trailers are not sponsors of Jamestown Sawmill at all. But Jamestown Sawmill will give credit where credit is due by endorsing a solid product and saying they deliver and is a well-made trailer. As far as a baptismal run, the model of trailer here is a 35.5 24.9 thousand pound trailer. 2 sets of dual axles, solid brakes, folding ramps that we have set up on a 25,000 pound hitch and 25,000 pound kingpin. You want to talk about a baptismal run? If Dr. Frankenstein and Dr. Moriarty decided to build a skid steer, you're looking at it. What used to have 4 cylinders now has 6. What used to have a standard hydraulic pump now has 2-inch auxiliary run lines. This thing's a beast, guys. The head alone weighs over a ton, 2,000 pounds. So I say it's probably close to 1 ton plus. These other heads, every bit of 1 ton. And I'd be willing to bet this skid steer weighs every bit of 17,000 pounds minus the forestry mulching head. Fully decked out, you're looking at a minimum of 19. Those heads, that 4-way bucket, just start calking it out, gang. We were going down some really, really winding country roads, stop and go, ocean, strand traffic, you name it, when we took that nice 6-hour drive up north to get this beast. Gator-Made, thank you for having the dealers and making sure that those dealers have the stock to make business possible. You know, guys, I thought it'd be the easiest thing to get a trailer. Well, it took a little doing, but it made it happen. And Gator-Made was my best option. You had the ratings, you had the lashing points, and you had the solid of design. It handled beautifully. Now, it will handle like a 40-foot trailer will handle. That means you will need a little bit of area to turn this thing around. But let me tell you something, guys. If you know how to drive a truck and a trailer, this thing handles quite well. I say that because I had guys guiding me around a fuel tanker that was right there where this thing was, that I had probably 3 inches of space between this trailer and that tanker. And we successfully moved this entire rig empty so we could load it up. And yeah, handled quite well. The brakes response were there. The ride of this thing was there. you're going to know you got something behind me. I'm not going to lie. It isn't like you're just floating down the road. No. But the ability to safely carry that load, yes. That Dodge Ram of mine is topped out at 30,000 pound pull. I think we met that weight mark, if not slightly went past it yesterday. Put it that way. This trailer was grunting and groaning. We would go fill up. You could hear it flexing and groaning. But I tell you what, we made it home safely. Gator made. You got a solid product. So contractors, individuals, if you're looking for a solid product that can handle what you need to do, just look at the loadout we have on this on a baptismal run. I don't think we'll be loading this thing up like this ever again. Probably no need to. The most we'll be doing is probably hauling the Dr. Frankenstein special right here. And maybe a grapple bucket or an attachment of that nature. But guys, for everyone here at Jamestown Sawmill, brush cutting and forestry, we like to say, if you need a trailer, check out Gator Made. It might be worth the look. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.